So you decided you're anxious. You sat down in a chair. You've tried to face your anxiety. You stopped running from it, and you feel all this tension and distress. What else is there to do? Well, the next thing you might want to do is address how you talk to yourself. This is what the voice of anxiety sounds like. What if this happens? What if they don't do that? How am I going to ever do that? How will I ever be that? They should do that. They shouldn't do that. I should. I shouldn't. Those words are non-existent words. I tell people that's like a Seinfeld episode. It's a lot of something about nothing. The only thing that you have in front of you is what is, not what if. What would you like to do? Not what you should do. So now I want you to take this week, address all the shoulds and the what ifs, and when they come across your mind, immediately say, no, that's not real, so therefore I will not think them. Try that and we'll see what happens. You might just start having a decrease in the amount of anxiety you have.